Ready to ditch those tangled wires and finally snag some AirPods using that Apple gift card burning a hole in your pocket? Let's break down exactly how to redeem your Apple gift card for those sweet AirPods. Whether you're shopping online or heading to an Apple store, there's a couple super common questions we will answer during this video. First, can you actually use an Apple gift card for AirPods? Yes, absolutely. Apple gift cards can be used for anything Apple sells. Now, to redeem it online, go to Apple.com and find the AirPods you want. Add them to your bag. Once you're ready, click on your bag and proceed to checkout. Here's the important part during the payment section. You'll see an option to add Apple account balance or redeem gift card. Click that and enter the gift card number and PIN exactly as they appear on the card. The balance will be applied to your purchase if the gift card doesn't cover the entire cost. You can use another payment method to cover the difference. Prefer shopping in person? Head to your local Apple store with your gift card and AirPods in mind. Simply tell the Apple specialist you want to use your gift card towards your AirPods purchase. They'll scan the card and apply the balance at the register, same as online. You can pay the remaining balance with another card or use a second gift card if needed. And that's it. You're all set. Now you can enjoy your new AirPods knowing you used that gift card wisely. Now, go on and get those AirPods.